Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to loop through all values in a tuple. We can loop over all the values in a tuple using a for loop. So we have this tuple with the dimensions, and we are going to use a for loop for the in our dim. We are going to print each dimension, and we just need to run our code. Our code prints all the element in the tuple. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Arts and Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.